Hi everyone, I Shobhit Jain along with my team members Shivam Sharma, Shikhar Singh are going to represent our final year project under the supervision of Mr. Ganesh Kumar Yadav, and our project ID is 61 and our project name is Detection of COVID-19 with Chest X-ray. So as we all know, COVID-19 infection may be identified using RT-PCR. Because of worldwide lack of test kits, labs in several countries, it has been defined that it is very hard to detect COVID-19 through RT-PCR as a lack of test kits. So, in COVID-19 pandemic is growing manifold daily with ever increasing the number of cases and world testing of the cases. We have decided to create an image classification model that can predict chest X-ray scan that belong to one of the two classes, that is COVID-19 and non-COVID-19, with high accuracy. And we have used this transfer learning algorithm with CNN to detect COVID-19 and non-COVID-19. So in this project, there are over 3,000 images in the data set that, as we can see, this divided into COVID and normal, and we have some data set. This data set is being defined from the Kaggle, and as we can see, this slide show the image of the chest X-ray and the CT scan of the human body. So detection of COVID-19 with chest X-ray is easy than detection of COVID-19 with CT scan, because CT scan is more detailed review of the chest and CT scan is more time consuming and cost efficient. So that is why we have used the chest X-ray instead of CT scan. Then we have come to literature survey. In this, we have discovered the researcher faced numerous constraints as well as the causes for those limitation and information that on using which methodologies are precise in our project and which are not. Furthermore, the surveys our finding were incredibly useful for us and provided us with a clear image of every question we had. As a result of this knowledge, we are working on giving technological communication support to those who are having trouble in communicating. So in the research paper, we have read different papers like CNN-based COVID-19 detection using chest X-ray. In this, they have used CNN Inception V3 transfer learning and deep learning algorithm. This result of this paper will reveal the transfer learning based from the old Inception V3 architecture outperforms the deep learning based CNN architecture in terms of accuracy. And next paper, COVID-19 diagnosis from chest X-ray images using convolution neural network and Inception V3. They will use, they have used an transfer learning algorithm for DenseNet 18121, CNN and deep learning and convolutional net. From this, we have studied how to use PyTorch framework in Python programming and how to build fast AI performance. And in next paper, automatic detection of COVID-19 from text array images with convolution neural network, they have used ResNet 50, Inception V3 and Inception ResNet 52. In this, the proposed model has a precision of 95.4%, and how to increase the accuracy is in with comparison of two different CNN models in studied in this project. And in next paper, COVID-19 in identification from chest X-ray, they have used exception models, which helps in developing diagnostic tools for the automatic detection of COVID-19 positive cases in potential. So in this proposed work, we have classified the desired area. First of all, we have data pre-processing task, feature extraction, model selection, image classification, obtained and then obtain class the level accuracy, and then the classification model will define as the person either with COVID-19 or normal. So this is our project. First, in this we have connected our drive from the Google Colab, which will be extracted by the content of the drive. Then we have imported some libraries in which we have 5 layers. The average coding 2D, dropout, flatten, dense and input are 5 layers we used. One model is used and 2 optimizers are used, and some pre-processing libraries are used. Then we have some pre-processing tasks going on in the and we then use NumPy libraries for pre-processing tasks. Then after importing libraries and pre-processing tasks, we can see that the zip file is divided into two categories, COVID and normal. That as we can show in our data set, the two categories of COVID-19 and normal. Then we have trained in the data set, and this is the classification of normal chest X-ray with the COVID-19 X-ray. This is the normal images that we have taken from the Kaggle. Then we have insert a label binaryzer on the code, because the machine learning task will not understand the text images, so we have to give the label on the text images. So 10 represent COVID images and 01 image represent non-COVID images. And then we have used VGG16. VGG16 is a transfer learning algorithm that in which we have used pre-trained model of VGG16 that can categorize thousands of categories. And then we have trained the data set, and the training of the data set will be going on. And then if we run this project, it will show us all the product of prediction and non-prediction values. As we can see that in this experiment, the database is collected from the Kaggle, and which is one of the best database collection. And in training model, we have used VG16 along with the CNN models, and because we do not use ResNet 18 and ImageNet exception v3. In CNN model, convolutional neural network is the best to identify and analyze images, classify images, and interpret natural languages. CNN are deep neural network with convolutional max pooling, non-linear activation layers. So convolutional activity that gives CNN in the name as regarded a key layer of the network. As a result, we can see that a graph between the train loss and the validation loss of the project, and we have created a classification model that is defined between the COVID-19 and non-COVID-19 with use of VG16 in method for the classification of two extended models. And we have seen that VG16 has the most accurate of the various kind of pre-trained models of two classification categories, and our result did not equal to the ImageNet dataset classification accuracy, despite that the fact that ImageNet dataset classification accuracy was greater than its other hand than the VG16. In conclusion, we successfully created an CADX system, COVID detection of non-COVID detection also with healthy person, with two types of data augmentation strategy instead of just one or none of at all proven to be beneficial. In this research, we discovered the transfer learning is very effective strategy. As we can see that VG16 model on Chexteret dataset over 3000 of images is based on CNN and deep neural network. We are able to improve the accuracy of detection text recognition because of this vast data set from Kaggle. These are the references. Thank you.